Hello, I'm Grace. As the KOSPI, the benchmark stock market index of South Korea, continues its sharp downward trend, a serious phenomenon is emerging. The mass exodus of individual investors who once served as the backbone of the domestic market. According to recent reports, the intensifying decline in the KOSPI has left domestic retail investor sentiment in an extremely constricted state. In particular, investors are expressing strong dissatisfaction with the government's response, making it clear that they have no intention of re-entering the Korean market. Criticism is mounting that authorities missed the window for effective intervention, as leverage-related policies designed to control market volatility were announced too late. The essence of this crisis goes beyond the physical decline of the index. It is a fundamental collapse of trust in the entire market system. Bloomberg has warned that restoring shattered investor confidence will take much longer than the time required for a numerical rebound in the index. This suggests that even if the index recovers to its previous highs, a liquidity vacuum may persist, where individual capital does not immediately flow back into the market. The movement of so-called seohak-ant, Korean retail investors who seek alternatives abroad, is also being confirmed by decidedly pessimistic data. Reports estimate that the scale of losses incurred by individual investors who left the domestic market for the U.S. market has reached approximately 50 trillion Korean won, approximately 36 billion USD. In attempting to avoid uncertainty in the domestic market, these investors have effectively taken a double blow by absorbing the volatility of the global market. The psychological impact is so severe that even experienced, seasoned investors are finding it difficult to navigate the current market turbulence. This phenomenon demonstrates that market volatility has moved beyond simple price corrections, creating a vicious cycle that accelerates the exodus of market participants. Ultimately, the direction of this crisis will be determined by the speed of policy responses and the ability to rebuild market trust. Rather than short-term stimulus measures, the current moment calls for fundamental prescriptions, increasing market transparency and fostering a predictable policy environment. I'm Grace, thanks for watching.